This is Lenny the Lawyer Live, and I've got some very important news to share with you today. We're going to be talking about the one bright spot that might have emerged from the loss of your house at foreclosure. But first, before we do, we have to have some housekeeping items in order. First of all, the information I'm going to provide you is legal information. It is not intended to be legal advice. So legal advice can only be given in person or through a secure video conference one-on-one with a licensed attorney in your state. That's not what this is. This is designed to be informational and hopefully a little educational, because despite all the bleak news you had and the horrific problem and trauma to you and your family that you had by losing your home to foreclosure and then sheriff's auction, there may be a glimmer of hope that you may be able to get some relief from all the troubles you've been through this year. And I'm here to tell you about surplus funds. It's not something that a lot of people know about, and it's very real. But in order to get your surplus funds, you need to have a licensed attorney involved, not some unknown business entity where somebody calls you up on the phone and you have no clue who they are. I'm Leonard Boyer of Boyer Coffee, and we're located in Clifton, New Jersey, and that's where this video is coming to you from. Now, you may feel that your back is against the wall, just like my back is against this wall, but this is a background, not an actual wall. Now, I have good news for you. Housing values went up. There's a good possibility that your house sold at sheriff's sale for more than what you owed on that. And if that's the case, the court is holding your money. They're just not going to cut a check to you. You need to have an attorney follow the appropriate procedures to get your money back for you. Let me give you an example. It's like you could know all the parts involved and all the procedures, but when you deal with the Office of Foreclosure of the Superior Court of the state of New Jersey, you have to follow everything by the book. This is a very rigid, strictly procedural matter. Let me give you an example. You can order all the parts to put together a Ford Mustang, and you have them all out in your driveway. Now, can you put that Ford Mustang together, or does it require a mechanic or two? Of course you can't put it all together yourself, and if you could, it would take a tremendous amount of time and effort. But at Boyer Coffee, we are licensed attorneys. We've gone through the surplus funds process, and we can recover surplus funds for you. It's not an easy task. Everything has to be done step by step by step. And that's what I will do for you. Now, I can't find you, but you can call me at 201-625-2234, which is my business cell phone. Unlike a lot of other law firms, at our firm, you're never a file number. You're a person. That's why I'm giving you my business cell phone number, so you can reach me anytime you want, within reason. If you don't reach me, leave a voice message. Now, surplus funds are out there for the taking for you if you use a law firm, and we will be able to recover that money for you right away. By right away, I mean in a period usually anywhere from 4 to 8 months, start to finish. It could be longer, it could be shorter, but the fact of the matter is we've done this before. We know how to present the right legal documents and pleadings to the Office of Foreclosure and follow the steps appropriate. Now, we will also steer you clear of any obstacles. But in order to help you, we need to have either an in-person consultation or a secure video consultation. The only way you get legal advice and attorney-client privilege and attorney-client relationship is created is when you personally appear in my office or the office of any other licensed attorney and you have a private conversation. There is no expectation of privacy over the internet. This is general information only. This is not legal advice. So bear that in mind. I'm not giving you legal advice. What I am going to tell you, the advice I'm going to provide, is that if you're not dealing with an attorney and a law firm licensed in Jersey or whatever state you're in, you're making a serious mistake. Remember, only attorneys are licensed to practice law. This is Lenny the Lawyer Live. Make sure if you like this video, you check the bell icon and hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified of future videos that I make. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you choosing to spend some of your time with me here today. Thank you.